How do I replace the belt on a Beko DRCS68W tumble dryer?
Hi. Okay, to fit the belt onto this, what I do is remove the top. Then from there remove the squarish cover on the back in the bottom right corner. Now remove all the screws around the edge of the back panel. Remove the two hoses going to the back of the water bottle. Now you can pull the drum backwards a bit. So you can slide the belt down the front of the drum and then around the drum itself. Then put the drum back on the front and refit the back panel. Now you need to get the belt onto the motor, which isn't going to be easy as they are stretch belts. What I do is get a big screwdriver and put it through the belt and wedge it to just below the motor pulley. Then pull down and try and slide the belt down the screwdriver back onto the motor. Then this should cure the fault from there. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.